Welcome to the San Clemente floor plan. This beautiful two-story home includes up to 5 spacious bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, an elegant living room, a formal dining room, a gourmet kitchen with a large pantry, and a cozy breakfast nook, and a large open family room, all that interact perfectly with the included backyard-covered patio. The master suite of the San Clemente includes a private bathroom retreat with a separate shower and soaker garden tub, twin sinks, and a huge walk-in closet. This incredible new home also includes a spacious upstairs game room, a walk-in laundry room, plenty of extra storage, and a tandem 3-bay garage. And because Lennar is the one and only home builder in Phoenix to offer everything's included homes, the San Clemente also includes all of the green features, smart technology, and luxury designer upgrades that you've come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home or for directions to any of our premier neighborhoods, visit lennar.com.